I wanted to. Now not so much, I think. But when I was younger, I felt कि मेरे जो skills हैं, मेरा जो strength है, वो investigative journalism में था. और I wanted to research and I wanted to write stories. और मैं जब भी लिखती थी, even when I used to write letters to my mother, both my sister and I used to write letters. और मेरे जो letters थे वो factual letters थे कि मैंने ये किया और वो किया और ऐसे किया और humor बहुत था उसमें, and there would be jokes. और मेरी sisters कि बहुत ही emotional थे कि I miss you and I feel this and I feel that when she's right. So my mother used to always say there's no emotion in you. You're completely objective and clinical. Acting कैसे कर पाओगे? So I've always felt that my strengths sort of were always in sort of objective critique.
Okay, if you were given the
God.
अगर बात करें इस फिल्म में एक ऐसे विषय को चुना गया है जिससे पिछले कुछ दिनों से हमारी मुंबई भी झुलस रही थी
जी।
तो क्या कहना चाहेंगे आप इस बारे में?
आई थिंक कि जहाँ तक हम टेररिज्म के बारे में बात करें तो वी आर ऑल विक्टिम्स ऑफ टेररिज्म. और जो जिस इंसिडेंट पे ये फिल्म आधारित है वो जो ट्रेन ब्लास्ट हुए थे मुंबई में 2006 में, जुलाई 2006 में, 11th of July मुझे याद है, जब मैं पौंडीचेरी में थी. और आई थिंक ऑल ऑफ अस कैन रिमेंबर हम कहाँ पे थे उस वक्त. सम ऑफ अस वर unfortunately directly affected by the bomb blast, some of us indirectly. लेकिन आई थिंक कि all of us are reminded of the fact that जब भी ऐसा कुछ होता है, सबसे पहले we call up the people who are near and dear to us who might have been affected and say आप ठीक हैं. And then we always think कि this could have happened, to us, or it could have happened to somebody close to us. So we are all victims of terrorism. And in Bombay especially, जहाँ तक हम बॉम्बे की स्पिरिट के बारे में बात करें, बहुत कुछ होता है इस शहर में. मानसून्स होते हैं. जो हुआ था 2005 में, वो 3 दिन मुझे बहुत याद है, जुलाई 26, जहाँ इतनी बारिश हुई थी. And people's lives were lost that day also. वो SARS होता है, वो avian flu, bird flu होता है, there's bombings, so there's so much to deal with. But yet the spirit, I think, survives and we continue. And I think, that night only, जब ये train blast हुए थे, उसी रात से trains फिर से, they were working, I think, at 10:30 at night. News channels were covering it. The stock market rebounded the next day. So it's an amazing spirit.
मुंबई मेरी जान इस टाइटल को कैसे रिलेट करती हैं आप?
Mumbai Meri Jaan, so firstly I think of the fact that a lot of people come to this city with dreams. हम सब चाहते हैं और we come from all over the world, definitely all corners of Hindustan, to come to, it's the city of working people where dreams are both made and broken. Lots of hearts are broken as well, and it's a tough city. But I get my livelihood from this city. मेरा काम firmly Bombay में based है. I bought a house in Bombay, the first real estate I've ever bought. So Bombay is definitely my home. And I get my livelihood from this city. So it is my life, and it's difficult, and it takes lives as well, and it makes lives as well, and it's difficult. And like the song goes, zara hatke zara bach ke, ye hai Mumbai meri jaan, ye Bombay meri jaan.
Okay, so if you were given the opportunity and the power to do something to curb terrorism, so what would you do?
It's a big question, I think that just the idea of terrorism, the fact that it is so non-discriminating, that it recognizes no religion and no occupation and no caste and no gender, and that it can happen to anyone, plays on fear. The idea is to make people scared. And I think that the only way to address it is to try and stop people from employing this as a means of getting their viewpoint across, because it is violent and it is senseless and it creates a cycle of terror. So the only way is to, as they say, change the minds and hearts of people and get to that, and I don't know, try and show that it's really not an answer in any way.